Hello, my friend. I hope you all are hale and hearty and as sweet as a fiddle. First of all, welcome to my YouTube channel. My friend, today I'm going to let you know when to pronounce the and when to pronounce the. Most students come across this problem. Before I begin, let me tell you what exactly the. See, the is a definite article which is used before countable or uncountable noun in order to show the identity of anything which is specific, and the same identity is clear to both reader and listener. Now, when any words that comes after definite article though start with a consonant sound, in that scenario, thou will be pronounced as the, thus. For example, the boy, the girl, the pen, the university. Now, when any words that comes after definite article the start with a vowel sound, in that scenario, thou will be pronounced as the. For example, the ant, the oranges, the umbrella, the amelie. Now, in addition to that, I let you one story. Let's say yesterday your mother asks you to put down the address of university and even told you to keep the umbrella at a proper place. Now, today you are supposed to visit university and it is raining outside. Now you are requesting your mom, Mom, could you please give me the address of the university, and you can even give me the umbrella, because yesterday neither did I put down the address of the university, nor did I keep the umbrella at a proper place. So, in addition to that, my friend, the is also pronounced whenever you want to put or underscore more on the specific thing, irrespective of whether it is consonant or vowels. Let's say yesterday you visited a park where you saw the queen passing nearby. So in that scenario, I have used or underscore more on that the queen as a specific. In the same way, let's say last month you visited Delhi and at airport you saw the president. So now you are putting more emphasis on president. So my friend, see, both university and umbrella start with the same letter U. But despite starting with the same letter U, the pronunciation of definite article the is completely different. In case of university, we pronounce as the university. Whereas in case of umbrella, we pronounce the umbrella. My friends, I hope this is clear to you. You are requested to subscribe my YouTube channel, and if you think this content is worthy, then you can even like it and share it with your friends. I can assure you, my friend, in the future you'll get lot of such video where most people, or you can say aspirant, find problem. With this note, all I can say, my friend, take care of yourself. I hope you get a lot of success in your life, whether it is name, fame, reputation, or felicity. And with this note, all I can say, Sriman Narayan, Sriman Narayan, Sriman Narayan, Sriman Narayan. Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol. Take care, my friend. Take care. Take care.